Write a letter to your father asking him about the health of your mother. First write examination hall, then write the name of city and date. Dear father, I am hale and hearty here by the grace of Allah. You told me about my mother's health. She is suffering from typhoid and cough. It pained me much. She is already weak enough. She was not feeling well when I came to hostel last week. Please consult with the physician and don't let her do any work at all. I request you to get her checked immediately and inform me about it. Do ask her to take complete rest and physician's advice. Good health and good senses are the blessings of life. When one's mother is old, it is one's duty to look after her. I will be soon with you to serve her. Praying for all at home, anxiously waiting for your reply. Your loving son, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.